So in today's video, we will get through the Yearn Finance platform, the second version, and test out new vaults version 2 and deposit our USDCs under 13% APY. So let's go. Now we are on the Yearn Finance website, so no dApps that you are already know this platform. Yearn Finance, launched by Cronje. This is one of the largest DeFi ecosystems in the crypto market, on the crypto markets. So recently, less than 2 weeks ago, the second version of the Yearn Finance application has been launched, and today I will test it out and I will tell you how to use it. So firstly, we need to connect our MetaMask wallet. So I've already done this, just a few clicks, and now we can go to the vault section. So now we are in the vaults. So if you notice a small notice, the vaults are also available for this website, V2 Yearn Finance vaults. But here there is a mistake with the APYs. So as you see it, for example, in case of USDCs, the APY is 0.13%, but in fact it is 13%. The same thing for DAI, for example. Here it is 14%, but here it is 0.30. But actually there is no difference. The APYs are good, and the platform is working. Also, there are some experimental vaults. So I don't know why they are not available here, but here we can see it. DAI Iron Bank, Yearn Finance, DAI Vault. So you can here access it and deposit some funds here. But actually, I'm not sure regarding this platform because they're experimental, so I can face some problems. So just use it on your own risk. And today I would show how to stake your USDCs in the vault and get 13% APY. So here just select the asset and set the amount of USDCs to deposit. So in my case it would be 1,980 USDCs. So sorry, not withdraw but approve. But to start participating in this vault, just click on this button, on this arrow, and use this window to enter the amount of USDCs to be deposited. But firstly, we need to approve the Yearn Finance smart contract to interact with our wallet and to spend our USDCs. Just confirm the transaction. So let's wait.
Are you still watching? Then please reward our efforts with a like.
Okay, so yes, it is 3 AM here, and I am recording this video because the transactions are relatively cheap as for now, and everything works smoothly. So let's reload the page, and we should see the deposit button here. So yes, we have approved the smart contract. Now the deposit button is available, and here we should choose the USDC and enter 1,988 USDC, the maximum amount that I have on my wallet, and press the button deposit. So after confirming the transaction, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, the transaction has been confirmed. Let's load the page once again. So we see our USDC balance updated here, and now we can start earning the APY. So you can withdraw your funds anytime from the vault, like your funds, your deposited funds plus the amount you have earned, like the APY. So the APY is being calculated to your wallet with each block generated in the Ethereum network. So everything is clear and transparent and more easy than the bank deposit. So the platform works smoothly. Actually, in my opinion, the second version is more good looking, is looking better, and the amount of the instruments to invest, the amount of instruments to deposit, the amount of wallets to deposit has increased drastically. So we see that even some US CRV are available and the APYs are quite high. So it was a short video for the Yearn Finance platform. Hope that everything was clear. So let's see what will be in the future with the Yearn Finance wallets. What are the perspectives? So as for me, they have great future. So let's go. So thanks everyone. And if you have any questions, please go ahead in the comments. Thank you.
QDAO DeFi is product developed by Platinum Software Development Company, one of the most trusted and experienced engineering blockchain teams in APAC for DeFi developments. If you want to create any DeFi app on any blockchain technology such as Polkadot, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, we are happy to give you 1 hour free consultation and share our experience. Contact us right now.